Hey guys, fishing's been pretty slow this afternoon. This morning was pretty good, but I thought I'd run through a real quick description of the setup I'm using when I'm drift fishing for steelhead. So I've got a 12-pound mono mainline. I love braided, but steelhead fishing this time of year, a lot of the mornings are super cold and below freezing, and braid line just collects so much more water and freezes a lot easier. So I'm running with monofilament mainline, 12-pound test. Then I come down to just a simple snap swivel with my mainline, and off of that I clip my lead right to my snap swivel. I've got a pair of pliers that cuts them and punches the hole in them, so it's pretty easy to change my lead in and out. On the other end of my snap swivel, I got my leader. I'm running 10-pound test fluorocarbon line down to a size 2 Gamakatsu hook that I tied a row loop to. And tying that row loop allows me to change my yarn colors really easily. And I always fish with a corky too, so right now I'm using a glow-in-the-dark corky with red dots and white yarn with a little Procure scent on it, and seems to be working okay. So that's just a real quick rundown of the drift fishing setup I use when I'm steelhead fishing. So let's get back to it and see if we can catch some more.
Here we go, fish on.
Finally today, I got one on. See if we can get it in.
Fishing off the rock. It's a long ways down there.
Send down and around.
You can see her. You're gonna have to probably come back here to drop down into the hole. Just trying to maneuver the rocks here. Luckily we got some help down there netting for us.
Finally. First thing in the morning, that's already hooked up. Got one in. That's got one on again. Doing the dance, trying to maneuver it. It's tough to get them around these rocks that are below us here. And in the net it goes.
Woo, thank you.
Good job. Just let her go. Good job.
job.
Hey guys, this is our last trip for the year, for sure this time, but it was a pretty good trip. I think between me and my dad, we landed 22 fish over a 3-day time, so it was a good trip, a lot of fun. I'm glad we were able to make this last trip happen, but now we really will get on to some sturgeon fishing and crappie and bass fishing, so we'll see you guys later.